Flipping potholes from hell here. Wintertime, potholes from hell. Morning guys, it is March 13th, 2026. Today all I gotta do is, got a call from a lady. She got a, sounds like she got a furnace or a boiler, and she has the fans making all kinds of noise. I think it might be a power venter on the side of the house acting up. Well, these motors are only good for so long and they start squealing. Start squealing like my ex-wife at the divorce hearing. Gonna go over and see what the noise is all about. And I've worked for this lady before. I've changed, worked on her AC and did some plumbing work for her in the past. And I'm familiar with the area, the house and whatnot. So it's a noisy heating system. Unless she's got hot air there. I mean, it's possible she might have a hot air furnace. We'll find out what the noise is, and we'll see if we could address it and quiet it down or replace what's needed. That part sounds fine. It sounds like maybe the fan.
Yeah, the fan is very loud when I keep going.
The fan part, maybe.
Yeah.
That's your note over there? You wrote on it, the 2019, is that the fan you did?
New exhaust fan motor assembly, clean flame sensor, but it's probably the blower fan motor on the bottom that's a problem. We put the exhaust fan motor's running now. I don't hear that making any crazy noise.
Okay.
Is it really loud when it comes on? We'll wait for the fan to kick in.
We'll get a fan again.
There goes the fan.
That's the noise.
That's the noise you're hearing?
Yeah, that did do that before.
What kind of filter did you put in there? All right, let me get my tools. We'll open it up and we'll check it. We'll check it.
Whatever it's called.
Best money can buy.
The one.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Well, we're probably putting in too good of a filter there. See this? No, listen to me. See
Really?
this 1900?
Yeah.
You want to put something that's probably like 800 or so, because this is really thick.
Okay.
So it's having a hard time pulling the air through it.
Oh.
It's not an air purifier. It's supposed to just catch the dust. It's not trying to, you know, clean your air.
Oh, so it's too good of a...
Well, that's what they recommend.
That's what they recommend.
What you recommend, yeah, because they're going to charge you a lot of money, and it's not really... Okay. It's like when you have the COVID, you put the regular one mask on. You walk around with 4 masks, what's it going to be? You can't breathe.
Right.
The same thing with
So
this.
it's the same thing?
You need one mask to catch the dirt and the dust, but you don't need 4.
Okay.
So right now you're running 4 or 5.
Okay.
So it's not being efficient.
Yes.
Not
No,
efficient.
it's not efficient.
Yeah.
It's because you need so much airflow across this coil, or it's not going to work right. So by you putting those real thick filters, they're already dirty when you put them in, because you're not getting enough airflow.
Okay.
So I recommend you go with the pleated filters, but just the cheapest pleated ones you could go with. Like at Home Depot, you could buy like a set of 3.
Yeah.
It's like a little red circle.
Yep.
The lowest MERV you can get.
Okay.
You're still going to catch all the dust, but you'll get airflow.
Okay.
And it's just designed to catch the dust.
Okay.
You know, it's not designed to purify the air and.
I thought it was helping so that I don't get dust in the house.
go. There's a problem.
What is it?
You want to see what the problem was?
Yeah.
Paper was in a fan.
No kidding, huh?
Yeah, so that belongs on the back of the door. So that's what the problem was. This flopping in the flipping wind. Gonna take it out of. Should be fine now. We'll turn it back on. This should run. Let's see.
No dead birds.
That was in the fan.
Really?
Easy fix, right? Easy's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, fucking easy's good. All right.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, it was just a paper that was in there. That's what I kind of thought as a possibility. Or I'll show you. It's just instructions. The electrical instructions. It must have fell off the door. It was in the fan.
I bet I was.
So that would throw it out of whack.
I was vacuuming in here because we lost our dryer.
But you still want to change it, one different type of. I think I told you that last time I was here. I don't think you're listening so well.
No, we have it on recording.
No?
We remember what she said.
Yeah. She's giggling. She knows the story.
We watch the YouTube videos all the time.
All right, let's see if that works. I think that's going to do it.
Let's fill this down.
Yeah, I'm just going to leave this. This is the electrical instructions. We'll just leave it here on the side. Okay? You don't need to have it inside as long as you could tape that on there with some tape.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
Just get some tape and tape that on there. So if I ever have to look at it, it's there.
It's good.
That's easy enough. Just get some regular tape and tape it on there. Clear tape. That's all it was.
Awesome.
Yeah, we need to have that in case there's a problem. That's the electrical diagram, right?
Yeah.
The troubleshoot. Wait, what about all this flipping snow we got this year, huh?
That's crazy.
Oh, shit.
Sick.
It was bad.
And when I saw it yesterday again, I'm like, you gotta be kidding me.
Bad, man. Fucking snow. Never seen nothing like it.
No. Worse than the 78. How long were you out of commission for?
I want what?
Were you out of commission for during the storm?
Can't hear you.
How many days did you not work that week?
Well, I mean, as soon as the snow hit, I wasn't working because I got no place to park.
Yeah.
They called me to go work in the city. There's no way I could work in the city. When I pull up to a job in the city, I pull onto the sidewalk to get off the street because my truck's so big, right?
Yeah.
And then there's no way you could park in the city. They got room for their little cars.
Right.
They shovel out and then they put a cone there or a chair so you can't take their spot. I couldn't work in the city. So I really didn't work for like a week.
Yeah, because New Bedford was bad. Anywhere in New Bedford.
Fall River, New Bedford.
Yeah,
There was
bad.
3-4 days they didn't even plow the streets.
I know.
It ain't gonna hurt to run them like that, but I'd rather see you run the other ones. Remove paper from blower wheel. That's what it was. The old furnace. Still working fine, right?
Looks good, huh?
Looks good.